Hi everyone, my name is Rishi and I'm one of the Boomi support engineer. In today's topic, let us see how we can use an cross-reference table. Okay, so if you have seen my previous video, it's about atom status querying of an atom status by using Boomi Atomsphere API. So there I used to send an atom ID as a parameter. So as a static value, now we're using a cross-reference table and sending a atom ID. So if you, so what I'm doing, in this CRT, I've maintained the list of environments, dev, QA, UAT, prod, and its corresponding atom ID values. So these atom ID values are nothing but your atom information specific to your runtime atom ID. For this dev, I have this atom ID. Okay. So what we'll do, once the CRT is maintained, you will just pass atom ID as input, and you will get the corresponding atom ID as output for the CRT. So for simplicity, in the example, I'm just passing it as dev and click on test button. So based on the CRT, corresponding atom ID value will get fetched actually. Okay. If you see here in the set properties, the environment value is passed, and then its corresponding atom ID value is passed as parameter to the Boomi Atomsphere API. So if it is correct value, then you should be getting a proper response. So yeah, let's wait for a minute and see if the okay, environment dev atom ID is passed and you got the response. You can see the atom is online. Okay, now for better understanding, I'm just passing as prod, and now the CRT lookup happens based on the input value prod, and its corresponding atom ID will be fetched out. Okay. Let the process be run successful in a minute. So if you click on the process shape logs here, yeah, this is the prod value and the corresponding lookup out value is this one. Yeah, you can see the response and let it give a minute. Yeah, this is the prod environment and you can see the atom is online. Yeah, this is how you can do a simple lookup based on CRT input, and you'll get the corresponding output as the value. Thanks for listening this video to this end. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.